In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get the human in Goat Simulator 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to get the human transformation in Goat Simulator 3, you have to go over to a very specific location on the map. So all that you have to do is open the map and go over to this specific location on the left, top left of the map when you go over to these rocky islands. So when you go there, you will be able to go to the edge and finally you will find this rock that you can see on screen. Now, bat on the rock until it moves. So you will be able to interact with this rock and it is going to start floating. Once the rock moves and you are able to go inside of the cave, you will be able to find a person on the ground and you just have to headbutt them once. You will then unlock the human transformation and this is going to be available on every platform, and as soon as you get the human skin you will be able to use it as the goat and you will be able to switch back and forth between it. So all that you have to do is go over to these rocky islands on the top left corner of the Goat Simulator 3 map, interact with the rock that you can see here. The rock is going to start floating, and once you head inside, you will find the human on a pedestal. So all that you have to do is interact with him there, and you will be able to get the skin. You can hold RB, which is the right bumper on an Xbox controller, to change your outfit, and you will be able to switch between all of the outfits, including the human one that you just unlocked. It is simple to do, and it should be available on all platforms. To my knowledge, you don't need any sort of additional content. It should be in the base game, and as long as you go over to these rocks on the top left corner of the map, you will be able to find the human inside of the cave that you can interact as soon as you open the cave with your usual bot. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a human in Goat Simulator 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.